In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find Microsoft Teams ID. To get started, open the Microsoft Teams app on your computer. Give it a moment to fully load, so the left sidebar and your main workspace appear. Once you are in Teams, look to the left side of the window, where the main navigation icons are listed. Next, click the calendar icon on the left sidebar. This takes you to your Teams calendar, where you can see your upcoming meetings and any meetings you have already scheduled. If you have a busy calendar, take your time and find the exact meeting you want to check. Make sure you select the correct one, since each meeting can have its own unique meeting ID. Now click on the specific meeting. This will open the Meeting Details panel or window. In that Meeting Details view, look toward the top area. This is where Teams shows key information about the meeting, such as the title and important joining details. In the top portion of the Meeting Details, locate the section labeled Meeting ID. The meeting ID is usually displayed as a series of numbers. When you see it, highlight the number sequence next to Meeting ID. You can do this by clicking and dragging across the numbers, or by double-clicking and adjusting the selection until only the meeting ID is highlighted. After the numbers are highlighted, right-click directly on the highlighted meeting ID. A small menu will appear. From that menu, select Copy. This saves the meeting ID to your clipboard, which means you can paste it into a message, document, or form wherever it is needed. When you paste it, double-check that the entire number sequence copied correctly, with no missing digits. Finally, if you also need the passcode for the meeting, look directly below the meeting ID. You should see a label for passcode, and you can use the same highlight, right-click and copy method to save it as well. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.